Alright, YouTube, what up? Back with another video, man. Y'all can see in the title, you already know what this video is about. So, what we're gonna be talking about today is how to close your crown. I just came from class, and I had my do-rag on the whole time. Might be a little sweated out, but I just got a cut today. I don't know how it looks, but let's get into this video, man. You want to close your crown. You're gonna need, I'll say medium brush, medium hard. You're gonna need a mirror. Alright, so you're gonna have to turn around. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use the tip of the brush, not the whole brush, the tip of the brush, and you're gonna just tap. Boom, right here. Tap, tap. And you do that for about 30 minutes every day. Stay consistent and your crown should close. I don't really focus on my crown. I only just brush. I only focus on my crown like about twice a week, but that's gonna come later. But right now I'm just trying to focus on my connections and the way I brush. But if you wanna close your crown, you have to just tap with the tip of the brush. Tap. Just tap. That's all you gotta do, man. Just keep doing that, man. Stay consistent and your crown will eventually close. Alright, y'all, that's it for this video. It was just a little quick video, nothing too much, but that's it, man. Peace.